The procedure of power supply replacement for MIRA9S is basically the same. The power supply of the MIRA9S is also located here. First, unplug the machine from the power outlet. Then disconnect the red high voltage cable from the glass tube. Again, do not put your hands inside to avoid any risk from residual electricity. Cut the zip tie that secures the red high voltage cable. Then slowly pull the cable out. Next, disconnect the black power cable. Then unplug the white terminal block below here and remove the 4 screws here. Now you can see the red high voltage cable and the white wire below. Similar to the black wire on the MIRA9S, this white wire also needs to be cut. So where should you cut it? Look at here. Hold this ribbed cover, press it downward and pull it outward to the left. Then this will remove the cover. All the cables are housed inside. You will see the white wire. Then just cut it with scissors. Installing the new power supply. First, use a soldering tool to reconnect the white wire. Then wrap it with black electrical tape and place it back inside. Reinstall the cover by fixing the bottom side first. Give it a bit of pressure and then press the top edge back into the place bit by bit. After securing the cover, reinstall the 4 screws. Route the red high voltage cable back along its original path and secure it with a zip tie. Plug the power connector back in. Reconnect the white terminal block. Reconnect the red high voltage cable. And finally, plug in the power. That completes the installation. Alright, that's all for today, so if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me through this way. This is Duran from Aeon Laser, so see you then, bye bye.